has a huge drawdown rate. For the past 2 weeks, I have been testing this expert advisor on several accounts, and in this video, I am about to share every single thing you need to know before leveraging this expert advisor in your next trade. So let's get straight to the point. On my screen now, I am about to show you the Black Wolf Expert Advisor version 3 for MT4. Right here, I have this expert advisor's file, and this is the installation instruction. So I will share both the result of this expert advisor's back testing and this expert advisor's result on my $1,000 BPS live account. So first we are on the back testing part, where I am trading this EA on the prestigious Euro USD pair and M15 time frame. So I will share the expert properties as well, where this is the input section. So you can just copy the settings, or else you can customize your settings according to your preferences. I have placed the trade on a $1,000 account. So here we start our trade. So I have taken a random date that started from 2024 November 1 to 2024 December 1. I have taken the time span of nearly 1 month to backtest this EA. So right here you can see it has taken a lot of trade, and here is our graph section, and this is our result section, where I am watching the account balance that is increasing gradually. So this expert advisor initiates a cycle of buy or sell depending on the trend of a built-in indicator. In this way, the expert advisor works according to the trend follow strategy, which means following the trend. So I will skip this part to show you the end result real quick. Please stay tuned till then. And currently I am also having this expert advisor on one of my BPS $1,000 live account, where you can see it has placed a lot of trades. I am trading this expert advisor on the prestigious Euro USD pair and M15 time frame. So I have placed this expert advisor on 21st of December, and you can see it has taken and placed a lot of trades on different lot sizes. So today is 30th of December, and within these days I have gained a profit amount of $13.95. Let me show you the entire history section, where 2 of these trades have been closed on a minor loss amount, and all the other trades have been closed a good amount of profit with. So here I have a balance amount of $1,013.95. I still have 2 open trades, by the way. So let me show you now how our expert advisor has been doing in the meantime. So here in the background we have finished the demo test. So this is our final graph section, and let me show you now the result section. So here on the report section, I am going to explain everything to you, that our initial deposit amount was $1,000, and with 100% tick story updated data, we have gained a profit amount of $214.06 with the balance maximal drawdown percentage of 20.99%. It is a huge drawdown rate that I have warned you about. After watching the backtesting performance of this expert advisor, I have decided to place it on my BPS $1,000 live account, and here you can see it is giving me profit. It is not a huge amount of profit, but I have seen enough trades, and I am sure that this expert advisor is going to give me a good amount of profit over time. And I am going to say that this expert advisor you can try on a $1,000 account. Do not try this expert advisor on a $100 or $200 account. At least try it on a $500 account. And it is recommended to try this expert advisor on a $1,000 account. Use M15 time frame for optimal results. And this expert advisor works on several pairs like Euro USD, GBP USD, Euro Odd, GBP Odd, CAD JPY, and some more pairs. So like this expert advisor is here available on our official website fxcrack.org for $85 only. But the market price of this product is huge. It's nearly $1,000, and it is available on NQL5's official website. You can check it out. And if you purchase this product directly from us via our official Telegram group, Yo Forex Premium, Right here it is, you will get additional 10% discount on all products price. So here is the joining link, and I have given the joining link in the description section of this video. Check it out and join our Telegram channel and subscribe our YouTube channel for more such expert advisor and indicator honest review videos. Thank you so much for watching. Visit again. Additionally, we can track or unlock any expert advisor that you provide via our official website yoforex.net or our official Telegram channel YoForex Premium Support. Link is given in the description section. We will give you a pricing to remove the comment, license timing or unlimited accounts for either MT5 or MT4 or both. Price of the MT5 will be higher than the regular. Thank you.